Welcome back to my music and makeup channel, loves. Yay! So, this week is going to be, drum roll please, Love Look Week! Every day this week, starting from today all the way up until the 14th of February, I will be doing one video every single day. I will be posting one video every single day. It's either going to be a Valentine's Day look, a Valentine's Day hairstyle, or a Valentine's love song. Ooh. So I'm going to be uploading once a day all of this week, and I'm so excited to show you all the looks that I have come up with for Valentine's Day. Although I am feeling a little under the weather, you know, my throat feels like it's on fire, but I will still sing for you guys. I will do my best. Yeah, it does really hurt. So if you hear me coughing, you guys know what it is. I really do need to get it checked out. Anyways, so it is Love Look Week, and I'm so excited to show you guys some of the conventional and unconventional looks that I have coming up. We got this, and I want to see your versions of this look. And yeah, anyway, let's get into the video. I'm talking entirely too much. I love you guys. Let's go. All right, so as you can already see, I went ahead and primed my face. I primed it, I put on foundation. What else? I did my eyebrows. I did blush. I did contour already. The only thing that I did not do is eyes, lips, and highlighter. And that's what we will be doing today. For Valentine's Day, we always do like a lot of pinks and purples and reds and stuff like that, but I'm black. It is also Black History Month, and I'm not gonna do so many pink looks. That's not gonna be my first look. I'm more of an orange type of person just because my skin undertone is yellow, and whenever I wear orange, it is so pretty. So the showstopper pigment for today is going to be this Blinky Shimmer eyeshadow. I think I said it right. I hope I said it right. And it is in the color Shimmer eyeshadow Tangerine Light. It's in the color Tangerine Light. So this is the pigment that is going to be stealing the show for Valentine's Day, for my first Valentine's Day look. And I'm just gonna zoom you guys in here. Okay, so I went ahead and primed my eyelids already. And now I'm just gonna start with a neutral base. I'm gonna go in with my Coastal Scents palette, and I'm gonna use this neutral color right here, and I'm gonna just go ahead and put that into my crease with a blending brush. I'm getting all dolled up to go nowhere, to go to sleep. Let's go in. And since this look is orange, you can either decide whether you want to do a daytime look and not really have too much darker colors on the outside. You can have it like look more neutral, which is what I might do. I don't know yet. Or you can have it, you can do like a night look and have more darks on the outside of your eye. It's all just what you want to do. So we're just gonna go back and forth, kind of windshield wiper motions. Take that neutral color again, tap tap, the other side. I like to go like this on the outer edges of my eye, just in case I don't feel like putting any black or anything. And just to save time, I'm gonna go under the eye also. Just really quickly. That's for laziness right there. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put more of a little bit of a darker color in the crease now. A little more like a darker orangey pink kind of color. And just go a little lower just so I can get that color payoff. if I can learn how to do makeup over YouTube, you guys can learn too, because that's how I learned. I learned from a lot of people like Nikki Tutorials, Jackie Aina, I think her name is Kristen Dominique, what's her name, like Katie from Luxtra Lux, and like all of these big time, Jaclyn Hill, like all of these really big time people. That's kind of who I learned how to do my makeup. And it was hard because a lot of the women that I was watching on how to do their makeup, none of them are my skin color. None of them. Not even Jackie Aina. And she's actually darker than me. So I'll be confused. I'm like, okay, well, what goes for my skin tone? What works for me? What can I do to make myself look like not as dark or not as light or whatever it is? And it was really hard to kind of find my niche and what I wanted to do. But I figured it out. So I'm going to go ahead with this smudge brush right here. And I'm going to take a darker brown color from my warm palette. And I'm just gonna darken out the outer V. Just a little. Not too much. Boom. See that? Not too much. We're not trying to overdo it here. Sweep that under your eye as well. I'm gonna just do that just a little. You wanna go back and make sure everything is seamlessly blended in at the top around the crease. Okay, so now that we've gotten that out of the way, doing the crease and all that good stuff, we are going to go in with our concealer, LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn. Now, you can do this with black as well, but I chose to make it more natural. It's gonna do the exact same thing, but with the black underneath, it's gonna probably be a little darker, more pigmented. I want it to be like more of a day kind of look. So I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand just so I can control how much concealer I'm putting on. That's why makeup artists do that. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut my crease, cut it. And to be honest, I still don't know what eye shape I have. If somebody could tell me, that would be great. Because I don't think that I have hooded eyes, because when I open it, they kind of, this part kind of, I'm not flipping you off, I'm sorry. This part kind of goes in, but it's not hooded, I don't think. If it is, somebody please correct me if I'm wrong. Oof, just let it like dry a little bit. We're gonna go ahead in with this pigment. I'm so excited. This is like my favorite color. Eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. You can get these anywhere, like I constantly tell you guys. e.l.f. you can get maybe at TJ Maxx or Target or Walgreens or something like that. And we're gonna take that pigment. We could try to dab it off as much as possible, but that's not gonna work. And we just go in and pack it in. And you are going to get fallout, believe me. And I will show you what to do about that orange fallout. So you don't sweep, you pat. Pat, 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 pat. Ba-na-na-na-na. It's Love Look Week in honor of Valentine's Day. It's also my anniversary with my dear fiance. I got the Love Look Week, yeah. The Love Look Week blues. Yeah. 'Cause I've got the Love Look Week blues. And I know you do too. I just made that up on the spot. I should write that down. I'll most likely forget it in the next 2 seconds. Okay, so as you can clearly see, we've got a lot of fallout. So I am going to take one of my tapered brushes and my Laura Mercier powder, because I'm always dropping stuff. So we're just gonna go and brush away that fallout. Ooh. Lord help me. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You gotta get that flicking motion too. You really gotta get that in there. So take that darker color again and that same smudge brush, tap tap, and then go back to the outer corner. And then we're going to take that blending brush one more time, and we're gonna make everything look seamless. We're gonna blend it in. You know what, I'm gonna go back in with that neutral color just so I can get everything looking nice and seamless. Because there's some harsh lines up here, so we're gonna make that, blend that in. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. And then we're just gonna blend out the bottom, smoke out the bottom lash line a little bit. And now it is time for the scariest part of my day. It is time for eyeliner. I initially have to hold my breath every time I do eyeliner because it's so hard. I'm just kidding. So, no, but that's real. You have to hold your breath whenever you're doing eyeliner. I don't know about you guys, but I'm sorry. I'm always super dramatic, but I always have to hold my eyes. My eyes? What? I have to hold my breath because if I don't get it perfect, everything is ruined. Okay, so after struggling with eyeliner for the longest time, because eyeliner is the most annoying thing of like freaking life. So really quickly into my waterline. Now this is that black from ColourPop. I'm gonna take my highlighter and highlight inner corners of my eye. This is a highlighter from e.l.f. And then we are going to go in with my Makeup Forever lash mascara. We are next going to go in with highlighter. I have this liquid glossomer from Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. I got this in my Ipsy bag and I don't know if you can see that. There we go. And it's like a liquid, like highlighter type deal. I'm going to show you guys right now what the swatch looks like. That's like, it's like really sheer kind of thing. So I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of that on my beauty blender. And hopefully I don't like screw this up. Not that much. Ooh. Yes, honey. Looked like angels came down and shined their light on my cheeks. Yes. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. highlighter and I'm just going to set that highlight with these two colors right here. Yes, girl. We are shining for Jesus in here, okay? Yes. Bring it. Bring it on. Shine yourself a Valentine's Day, girl. Shine it. Bring it on. Shine it. Come on now. Woo! Turn your head. Oh. Oh, highlight. Oh. Yes, girl. Yes. Just highlight every place. A little lip liner. You don't want to do too much on the lips just because the eyes look really crazy. So we want to do some neutral lips. And then I'm going to take this peach color called Tender Heart by Pacifica. I got that in the Ipsy bag also. And I'm gonna just go ahead. This is more like a peachy color, so I'm gonna take care of the lip line first. And then fill it in. This color is really strong, so I'm not trying to do too much. I'm gonna just dab just a little on there. You can leave it like this, and you can go out and it'll look like a lip stain. Mama's not gonna do that. Mama's gonna give it some dimension. I'm going to go in with one of my lighter colors. This is Nostalgic. I got this at Walmart, like literally. And I'm gonna put it in the center. I'm going to also take my Mary Kay at Play Jelly Lip Gloss. I got this from Mary Kay. It is actually my favorite, like, nude, pale lip gloss that I have. And I'm gonna just put that on top. So we're gonna go ahead and do our favorite thing. This is the final look. Here we go. I'm loving the highlight right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am so excited to be doing this Love Look Week with you guys. This is our first look of Love Look Week. Try saying that 10 times fast. That's really hard. And I am super excited.